Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here, free online, tradingeducation.com. Hey, let's take a look at a rising wedge trading pattern. We're just going to look on Facebook this morning. Here we are. This is where it was at opening. And then it started to take off here, getting higher highs and higher lows. But now it's beginning to form a rising wedge, which is bearish. If you want to know more about that, just go to our site, free online, tradingeducation.com. Here to the chart school. It's free. And you can see a description of it there, and then you can see a picture of it where it's getting rising, but we're getting tighter and tighter and tighter. You see, stocks love to be in a parallel channel. So what's happening here is that this is not parallel. The bulls are unable to pull it up as high each time. That's why it's a bearish formation. If it breaks down from there, you want to go short. So here we are, getting up higher and higher and higher. The market was going higher, and now the market was starting to roll over right at this point. So I said, let's get an order set right down here. And what happened next? Bam, it fell in, and I got in here at $61.26. And then it bounced right back up, hit its head now on this line was support. Now it is resistance, and then rolled back down. So I got my stop here. Now I'm pulling it down here closer to break even, taking some of the risk of the trade out. And now a little basing here at the 61.20 area for a long time. And then finally, bam, it started to break down. And now we've got the 200 period moving average here. So I'm going to take a stop, and I'm going to keep it here above the 20 moving average. You see, that seemed to be resistance for it. And again, in this trade quite a long time, finally breaks below the 200 period moving average. Oh boy, that's nice and bearish. And then what it do, it bounced back up right above the 20 moving average and got me out at 61.03 for plus 0.3% in 44 minutes. So it isn't so much what we made on the trade, is that this is the type of trading pattern that you need to be aware of, that when it breaks to the downside, sometimes you can go for a long way down. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. I'm in the GrokStar Trading Room, and if you'd like to join us 30 days for free, you can. Just go to free online, tradingeducation.com, to the chat room page, and down below on that page, you can sign up for a 30-day trial, and you don't even need a credit card. Just want to remind you what Albert Hubbard said. He says the biggest mistake that most people make in life is continually being afraid that they'll make one. Trade well.